Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. In previous session we discussed about the intro and the types of the matrix. So now in this session we'll start the first exercise of this chapter. Exercise 3.1. After this exercise we'll focus on the operations and the properties of the matrices. Now let's start the exercise 3.1. फर्स्ट आपकी स्क्रीन पर आपको पूरी एक्सरसाइज दिखेगी. आप चाहें तो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. टोटल 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं इस एक्सरसाइज में. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन in the matrix A where elements are given and we have to find first the order of the matrix, second the number of elements, and third write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. Okay, let's do it. First part, order of the matrix. For order we have to find rows and columns, m into n. Here m equals to, that is number of rows. Rows are 1, 2, 3, that is 3, and n columns, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So order is 3 by 4, that is 3 into 4. Okay. Second, the total number of elements. Total number of elements are m into n, that is m into n, that is 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Total 12 elements in this matrix. Okay. Next, third, we have to find elements. First A13. 13 means first row third column. First row और third column में जो element lie कर रहा है, that is first row in third column में क्या है 19. So A13 is equals to 19. Next A21. So we have to see the second row and first column. See the second row, first column, and our element is 35. So A21 is equals to 35. Next A33. See third column and third row. Third row, third column. So our element is minus 5. A33 equals to minus 5. Next A24. So we have to see second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. Row by column देखना है हमें. Second row, fourth column, that is 12. A24 equals to 12. And last is A23. Second row, third column. Let's see second row, third column, that is 5 upon 2. Okay, clear? So first question is complete. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. In this question, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? अगर मैट्रिक्स में 24 एलिमेंट्स है तो कितने पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स पॉसिबल हैं? सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24. 24 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 1 इंटू 24, ओके, एंड 2 इंटू 12, ये भी पॉसिबल फैक्टर है, एंड 3 इंटू 8 एंड 4 इंटू 6. ओके, सो the possible orders of this type of matrix having 24 elements are equals to 1 into 24, first row 24 column, and 24 into 1 भी possible है अगर 24 rows and 1 column हो. Similarly 2 into 12 and 12 into 2 and 3 into 8 and 8 into 3 and last 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. Okay, ये रो एंड कॉलम, फिर इंटरचेंज किया तो 24 रोज एंड 1 कॉलम, सिमिलरली फॉर ऑल. ओके, सो टोटल पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स आर टोटल 8 पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स. कितने ऑर्डर्स पॉसिबल हुए हमारे? 8 टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स हम यहाँ से फॉर्म कर सकते हैं जिसमें इक्वल एलिमेंट्स 24 ही होंगे. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इफ इट हैज 13 एलिमेंट्स? अगर 13 एलिमेंट्स हैं तो 13 के फैक्टर्स कितने होंगे? 1 into 13 ओनली. ओके, सो देयर आर only 2 possible orders. There are only 2 possible orders that are 1 into 13, 1 row 13 column, and 13 into 1 in which 13 columns होंगे, 13 rows होंगी and 1 column होंगे. Okay, clear? Okay, complete. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Same ही है. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Okay, let's do it. For 18 element, first we have to find the factors of 18. Okay, so 18 equals to first 1 into 18 and 2 into 9 and 3 into 6. 3 पॉसिबल आपके फैक्टर्स हुए ये. सो पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स कितने बनेंगे? 6. ओके, सो पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स आर इक्वल्स टू 1 into 18, 1 row 18 column, and next is 18th row 1 column, 18 into 1, next 2 into 9 and 9 into 2 and 3 into 6 and 6 into 3. Okay, क्लियर? सो टोटल पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स आपके कितने हुए? टोटल 6 ऑर्डर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इफ इट हैज 5 एलिमेंट्स? इफ इट हैज 5 एलिमेंट्स, सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 5 आर 1 into 5. ओके, बिकॉज 5 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. सो देयर आर only 2 possible orders that are equals to 1 into 5 and 5 into 1. 1 row 5 column, 5 rows 1 column. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question. Question number 4. In fourth question, we have to construct 2 into 2 order matrix A equals Aij whose elements are given by. एलिमेंट्स की पोजीशन आपको गिवन है और 2 into 2 ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स हमें फॉर्म करना है. 3 पार्ट्स हैं इस क्वेश्चन में. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. 2 into 2 order. 2 into 2 order means total number of elements equals to 4. Total number of elements equals to 4. And matrix का फॉर्म क्या होगा? A11, A12, A21 and A22. टोटल 4 एलिमेंट्स. इस फॉर्म में मैट्रिक्स हमें कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, so let's do it. Our first part is Aij is equals to I plus j whole square by 2. So first put I equals 1, j equals 1, that is A11 is equals to 1 plus 1 upon whole square upon 2. Okay, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2 square 4, 4 by 2 is equals to 2. A11 first element equals to 2. Next put I equals to 1 and j equals to 2, that is A12. A12 is equals to 1 plus 2 whole square by 2, that is 1 plus 2 3, 3 square 9, 9 by 2 is your second element. Okay, next put I equals to 2 and j equals to 1, ये सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होगा. A21 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 square 9, 9 by 2. Okay. Next we have to put I equals to 2, j equals to 2, that is last element. A22 is equals to 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 square 16, 16 upon 2, that is equals to 8. Okay. So our matrix A is equals to first element 2, second element 9 by 2, third element 9 by 2 and last is 8. Okay, clear? Same second part देखेंगे. In second part first element A11 is equals to 1 by 1, that is equals to 1. Put I equals 1 and j equals 1. For second put I equals 1, j equals 2, that is 1 by 2 is your second element, 1 upon 2. For third element put I equals to 2, j equals 1, that is 2 upon 1 is equals to 2. And for last put I equals to, j equals 2, that is A22 is equals to 2 upon 2 equals 1. So second matrix is equals to 1, 1 by 2, third element is 2 and last is 1. Okay. Let's see the last part, that is third part. Same यहाँ भी put I equals 1, j equals 1, that is A11 is equals to 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2, that is equals to 1 plus 2, that is 3 square, 1 plus 2 whole square upon 2, that is 3 square upon 2, that is 9 by 2. Okay. For second element put I equal 1, j equal 2, that is A12 is equals to 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2 equals to 1 plus 4 whole square upon 2, that is 5 square 25, 25 upon 2. Okay. For third element A21 put I equals to, j equals 1, that is 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2 is equals to 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2 is equals to 4 square, that is 16 upon 2 is equals to 8. For last element put I equals to 2 and j equals to, that is A22 is equals to 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2 is equals to 2 plus 4 whole square upon 2, that is equals to 4 plus 2 6 square, 36 upon 2 is equals to 18. Okay. So our third matrix is equals to, here first element is 9 upon 2, second is 25 upon 2 and A21 is 8 and last element is 18. Okay, clear? A11, A12, A21, A22, first, second, third, fourth, 4 elements are completed. Okay, let's see the next question. Construct a 3 into 4 matrix whose elements are given by. Same question है, यहाँ 3 into 4 matrix आपको form करना है, where Aij is equals to mod minus 3i plus j, and in second part Aij is equals to 2i minus j. Okay, let's do the first part and second same ही है, तो इसे आप भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, let's solve it. We have to form a 3 into 4 matrix. So total number of elements are equals to 12 and position क्या होगी, A11 that is A11, A11, A12, A13, A14 because 4 columns हैं, and A21, A22, A23, A24 and last row A31, A32, A33, A34. इसके अकॉर्डिंग क्लियर हो रहा है हमें आई और जे का वैल्यू क्या पुट करना है. ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व द फर्स्ट पार्ट. In first part, the position of element is given by Aij is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3i plus j. Okay. First, put I equals 1 and j equals 1. So, our first element A11 is equals to 1 upon 2 mod minus 3 into 1 plus 1, okay, is equals to 1 upon 2 in mod minus 3 plus 1, that is equals to minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2, minus 2 by 2 is equals to 1, okay. Because of mod, negative is changed into positive. Second, put I equals 1, j equals 2, that is A12. A12 is equals to 1 by 2 in mod minus 3 into 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 plus 2, that is equals to minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 1. It changed into positive, that is 1 by 2. Next, put I equals to 1 and j equals to 3, that is A13 is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. So, our this element is equals to 0. Next, put I equal 1 and j equal 4 is equals to A14 is equals 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4, that is equals to minus 3 plus 4 is 1, that is equals to 1 by 2. First row is complete. For second row, put I equals 2 and j equals 1. So, A21 is equals to 1 by 2 in mod minus 3 into 2 plus 1, that is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 6 plus 1. Okay, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5, change into positive, that is 5 upon 2. Okay. For next element, put I equals 2, j equals 2, that is A22 is equals to 1 upon 2 in mod minus 3 into 2 plus 2 is equals to 1 by 2 in mod minus 6 plus 2, that is equals to minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 upon 2, that is equals to 2. For next element, put I equals 2 and j equals 3. That is A23 is equals to 1 upon 2 in mod minus 3 into 2 plus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 6 plus 3, that is equals to minus 6 plus 3 in mod, that is equals to 3 upon 2. Second row का लास्ट एलिमेंट क्या होगा हमारा, I equals 2 and j equals 4, that is A24. Last element in second row is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4 is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 6 plus 4, that is equals to minus 6 plus 4 is equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1. Okay, second row is completed. For last row, that is third row, put I equals to 3 and j equals to 1, that is A31 is equals to 1 by 2 in mod minus 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 9 plus 1 is equals to 8 by 2, that is equals to 4. For next element, I equals to 3, j equals to 2, that is A32 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2 is equal 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 2 is equals to 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. For next, put I equals to 3 and j equals to 3. That is A33 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 in mod minus 9 plus 3, that is equals to 6 upon 2 is equals to 3. For last element, put I equals 3 and j equal 4, that is A34 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 in mod minus 9 plus 4, that is equals to 5 upon 2 is the last element. So, our matrix is in the form of first element is here 1, A11, that is equals to 1. नेक्स्ट इज 1 by 2, पहले रो कंप्लीट करेंगे, नेक्स्ट 0 एंड नेक्स्ट 1 by 2. इन सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 5 upon 2, नेक्स्ट 2, नेक्स्ट 3 by 2 एंड 1. फॉर थर्ड रो फर्स्ट इज 4, नेक्स्ट 7 by 2, नेक्स्ट 3 एंड लास्ट इज 5 upon 2. ओके, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज सेम, सो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ऐसे. ओके, क्लियर? लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव 3 पार्ट्स. 3 पार्ट्स में आपको 2 पेयर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स जो है वो इक्वल्स गिवन है एंड एक्स वाई जेड का वैल्यूज फाइंड करना है. लेट्स सॉल्व इट. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 4x 3 5 is equals to and another matrix that is y 1 z 5. We have to know that for equal matrix their corresponding elements are equal. So equating the corresponding elements of these two matrices. Okay, then we have 4 is equals to y, फर्स्ट रो के एलिमेंट है ये फर्स्ट एंड 3 इक्वल्स टू z, x इक्वल्स 1. ओके, क्लियर? सो वी हैव x इक्वल 1, y इक्वल्स 4 एंड z इक्वल्स टू 3. z इक्वल्स टू 3. Okay, clear? Let's see the second part of this question. Same here, we have to give in 2 matrices x plus y, 5 plus z, 2 xy, and next is 6 5 2 8. Okay, equating the corresponding elements we have the equation first x plus y equals to 6 and A21 को अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे then 5 plus z equals to 5 and last element is x y is equals to 8. Okay, for first equation we have to get y equals 6 minus x. Put y equals 6 minus x in xy equals to 8. That gives x into 6 minus x is equals to 8. That gives x square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. On solving this, we have x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. That gives x equal 4 and x equal 2. We have 2 values of x. Okay, for x equal 4 and 2, y gives 2 and 4. Okay, also for the second equation, from the second equation 5 plus z equals to 5, we have z equal 0, z equals to 0. Okay, so we have the values of x y z are x equal 4, y equals 2 and z equals 0, and another pair is x equal, if x equals 2 then y equals, if x equals 2 then y equals 4 and z equals to 0. These are the values of x, y and z. Okay, clear? Let's see. इसका भी सेम थर्ड पार्ट सेम है, थर्ड आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को कंपेयर कीजिए एंड इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करिए. ओके, क्लियर? लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सेम ही है ये भी. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए, बी, सी एंड डी फ्रॉम द गिवन इक्वेशन. We have to given two matrices that are equal. Okay, so on comparing the corresponding elements of these two matrices, we have फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं, फर्स्ट जो हमारा मैट्रिसेस है, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इज a माइनस बी, इसका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है, सेकंड का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट -1, सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज a माइनस बी इक्वल -1. सेकंड 2a माइनस बी इक्वल्स टू 0, 2a प्लस c इज इक्वल्स टू 5, एंड लास्ट इज 3c प्लस d इज इक्वल्स टू 13. ओके, first we have solved first and second question. On solving first and second equations, we have 2a minus b equals to 0, a minus b equals to -1. On subtracting these, b cancel, that gives a equals to 1. a equals 1. For a equals 1, from equation first, we have 1 minus b equal -1, that gives b equals to 2. a equal 1 and b equals 2. Okay, let's see the next. Now put a equals 1 in 2a plus c equals to 5, then we get 2 plus c equals 5, that gives c equals to 3. c equals 3. Okay, next put c equals 3 in the last equation, that is 3c plus d equals to 13. So 3 into 3 plus d equals 13, that is 9 plus d equals 13. So d equals to 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. d equals 4. So we have all four values. a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals 3, d equals 4. Okay. Let's see the question number 8. A equal aij m into n is a square matrix if m is less than n, m is greater than n, m is equals to n, or none of these. We know that clearly in a square matrix rows and columns are equal. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. M equals to n. So it is a square matrix. Okay. Let's see the question number 9. Question number 9. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? x, y की किस values के लिए these pairs equal होंगे? Simple. Two matrices are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Order same ही है. So let a equals 3x plus 7, y plus 1, 5, 2 minus 3x, our first matrix, and second b equal 0, 8, y minus 2 and 4. a equals b if their corresponding elements are equal. It means that 3x plus 7 equals to 0, y minus 2 equals to 5, and y plus 1 equals to 8, and 2 minus 3x equals to 4. Okay, let's solve that. 3x plus 7 equals to 0, that gives 3x equals to minus 7. It is equals to x equal minus 7 upon 3. First value of x equal minus 7 upon 3. Next, y minus 2 equal 5, that gives y equal 5 plus 2, then y equals to 7. Okay. Next, y plus 1 equals to 8, that gives y equal 8 minus 1 is also equals to 7. Simple, clear है, y equals 7, value of y. For last, 2 minus 3x equals to 4, that gives minus 3x is equals to 2, that gives x equal minus 2 by 3. Here we get two different values of x for the same pair. So that is not possible. So option B is the correct answer, not possible to the find. Okay, clear. Let's see the next and last question of this exercise, question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 into 3 with each entry 0 or 1. 3 into 3 ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स आपको कंप्लीट करना है जिसकी सिर्फ दो ही पॉसिबल एंट्रीज हैं, 0 और 1. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू क्लियर दैट द ऑर्डर इज गिवन 3 into 3. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एंट्रीज that is total number of elements equals to 9. 9 एंट्रीज हमें फिल करनी है एंड पॉसिबल डिजिट्स क्या है, 0 और 1. So 9 places can be filled. 9 places can be filled with only two digits that are given 0 or 1. So by using permutations and combinations, जो चैप्टर आपने 11th में पढ़ा है, there are 2 raised to 9 ways. Total 2 raised to 9 ways, that is equals to 512 ways. Okay, 2 raised to 9, that is 512. There are 9 places that can be filled only 2 digits. So it is equals to 512. So total possible orders are 512. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, clear. So exercise completed. Okay.